Welcome to SPAMtember. This is our first video in a month long of spam, well, Monday through Friday, a month long of spam recipes. Now, you either love this stuff or hate it, but it is so versatile. And one little can has 6 servings of 150 calories each. Not bad for your prepper pantry. And I got all 6 of these cans at Sam's Club for $2.38 a piece a can. You really can't beat that. And so you better stock up so you can make all the spam recipes we're going to show you this month. Now, I would like to introduce the other spam collaborators. And I'd like to thank all the channels participating. We have Tuliloo Creates, Rogue Preparedness, Jenny's Scratch Made Kitchen, Casey from Ormsby Farms, Linda from Linda's Pantry, Anna for Fermented Homestead, and Bland's Promised Land Ranch. Anyway, the schedule's down below. Don't miss a single one. We're gonna start out simple with a recipe for spam because sometimes simple is best. And I got this recipe from the Walking Dead Official Cookbook and Survival Guide. We're going to make today foundational fried spam. So let's get started. For this recipe, you're going to need 1 can of Spam. I am just using Spam Classic. And we're going to have a glaze, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And if you don't like all the salty flavor of Spam, you may want to use low sodium soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and then we're just going to need a tablespoon of oil to fry up the spam. I'm going to open our spam. There we go. Now we're just kind of, and there it goes. Easy peasy. And then we're going to use my handy dandy spam cutter. It's so easy. Now we have nice pieces of spam. Yeah, let's lay them out here. You want to just brush this on. Cover one side of all your spam and put this side face down in your frying pan. 1 oil in our frying pan. We're going to put the glaze side down. Leave them for about 2 minutes aside. We want to glaze the other side. So it'll be ready when we turn it over. There we go. flipping those in just a minute. I love that this is just a quick, fast recipe to put a quick luncheon or dinner meal on your table. See, it's nice and brown. We're just going to fry up the other side and get it brown too. And we'll be back when these are ready. Now I have a tip for you. If you think Spam is too salty, then you can use low sodium Spam, but you can also rinse your Spam under the faucet well, and that will take off a lot of that salty flavor. Okay, we got some black-eyed peas, some wild rice, some onion rings, which you could put on the sandwich. Now we're just gonna brush it a little bit more. Yeah. And now it's time for a taste test. Okay, here's my Spam sandwich. Oh, this is good. This is very, very good. That little maple, that little soy, the browning on it. It's just perfect. Now, of course, you might want to add condiments, but I never eat anything with condiments, so I didn't, because it is perfect just like this. Well, I hope you enjoyed this short episode of SPAMtember, and you will stick with us through every SPAMtember video. I have a listing down below if you want to see what channel is posting a video for SPAMtember all month long. And remember, some lucky commenter on one of the videos will win one of these Spam slicers. I will send it to you personally. So make sure you comment on every video. Now, I gotta eat my dinner. Bye.